right, I think you can say everyone see my screen. So this is our actually Hadoop data flow. This is not Hadoop data sciences. Okay, this is just for Hadoop developer, or you can say Hadoop admin. Both you can cover here. So this is generally the Hadoop data flow in real time. See, first of all, before start this explanation, so I just want to give you a quick review. Like for this course, okay, if you want to be expertise in this area, you should have some core Java, some background, some basic SQL, then basic Linux commands. If you know basic Linux, so if you know these three, you can easily learn and you can survive into the organization. It's the common prerequisites for this course. So in our course, okay, so I think we will cover almost all prerequisites, including your Hadoop. So generally in Hadoop, we have three roles in organization. Okay, Hadoop developer, Hadoop tester, Hadoop administrator. Okay, these are the common roles, and on top of them, there is a Hadoop data scientist. These are the four roles we have in the organization. So as per our experience and background, okay, so we have to choose whichever the role you are going to work on. Yeah, Vijay, so we require some core Java knowledge to work on Hadoop. Maybe you already have the introduction about Hadoop via in Capgemini. Yes, I'm going to give that. So in our organization, we have four roles: developer, tester, admin, data scientist. You can categorize the first through three are in one category and the last one is in another category. Okay, so Hadoop data scientist. So whatever it is, the role it may be, the ultimate aim of your big data technologies, or you can say Hadoop, is only one. So simply to store and process your data. It may be small data or big data. So, but it is mainly designed for huge amount of data which is coming from many ways, not only one way. Nowadays, data is generating in many ways. Maybe everyone have the mobile apps, everyone have the websites, everyone have their databases, their own blogs, Twitter, Facebook, all areas where nowadays generating the data. As a company, we need to gather all the reviews, all the hits from wherever it is coming and keep into one place. Then we need to do the analysis. So based on our analysis only, as a company, whatever the analysis only, the high level management is going to take the decisions to improve the business. So people are nowadays very comfortable. So whatever the immediate resource to them, they will immediately keep it on and they will write the reviews on it. So if the reviews are very bad, so your company have to close. So every requirement, every customer review and every customer feedback is very important nowadays. So if I want to do the analysis on varieties of data, so we required some advanced technologies now compared with your databases. Database is also very good. In the olden days, we are also doing the same job with database, RDBMS. So they are also very good in the analysis and storage, but the main problem with them is they have very limited with the structured data. They are doing unstructured but very limited. So they are very good in structured data analysis, that too very small scale databases. It's not like exabytes, zettabytes of data you can process with a database. They are very good, but within the limit, maybe in terabytes or petabytes, within that range, they are also very good. But again, that is also structured data. That means data is mostly coming from databases or files. It may be mainframe files or AS400 files, web methods, but in terms of files. So whatever data it is coming from wherever in the form of our structured data, we are gathering into our database, and by using OLAP queries, we are doing the analysis. Based on the analysis, the high level management will take the strategic decisions to improve your business. That is what we are using till now. But now the trend is changed. Every customer have their own skills. Everyone have the mobile apps, the websites. So there's so many medias are there nowadays to generate the data. So if the data is coming from many ways, so these databases are not at all enough. So that's what we are going to the next level. that is big data. So your database and big data ultimately doing the same job, but big data is doing better than your database, storage wise, performance wise, and the varieties of data handling wise. So that's what the big data is very good nowadays. So ultimately big data is popular because of these three words: volume, variety, and velocity. So volume, by using big data technologies, you can store whatever you want, unlimited data storage system. Variety, you can not only deal with the structured data, you can deal with unstructured data as well by using this big data technologies. And performance wise, so this is giving high speed performance compared with your database. Okay, so because of this only we are in big data or Hadoop era. So big data is a concept to handle the huge amount of data, and Hadoop is a technology to store the huge data, process huge data in a quick seconds. That's what Hadoop is going to deal. So in this process, Hadoop, in organization wise, we have 4 roles, actually 3 roles: Hadoop developer, tester, administrator. So developer job is mainly he is involving into the storage and process, how to store the data from different locations into Hadoop. Once the data is located, how you are going to do the analysis, that will comes under process, how to store, how to process huge amount of data. See, any technology is designed for this only, but everyone have their own limitations and advantages. So over compare with other technologies or old technologies, big data is giving good results. Sorry, Gayatri, it's off there. So big data is going to handle huge amount of data with the seconds, and it's having more user friendly. So that's why most of the companies, and that too it's a freeware, most of the companies are going because of it is having a lot of features compared with the like licensed softwares. Okay, so ultimately developer is going to involve into the how to integrate your data from various systems to Hadoop, and once the data is available, how you are going to do the analysis based on your requirement. This is what you are going to involve, and he is going to involve into unstructured database also, that is NoSQL. Yes, Chirag, you can do it, but only thing is we should have some Java background on it. Okay, so these are the general 3 requirements for developers. So the testers, so what tester will do in real time? Generally any tester will do unit testing, integration testing, and regression testing. So as a tester, we are going to help you how to do this kind of testings on top of your Hadoop development. So the tester, unit testing, integration, regression testing, all those things we are going to help. So once the developer develops some programs, we are, as a tester, you have to write some test cases, validations, all the checkpoints. You need to do so many things that you are going to do as a tester. Okay, even though you joined for developer, at least we will cover most of the admin areas, like how to do the installations in Hadoop, whatever the systems we have, top softwares, and how to do the cluster setup, the real-time setup, how to do backup and recovery, how to do the performance tuning, how to schedule the jobs by using some software called Uzi, then how to monitor the job by using Cloudera Manager. We are going to cover Cloudera here, so Cloudera Manager, so including some web UIs, how you are going to deal with web UIs. Okay, all those things we are going to cover as a administrator. Okay, so all these 3 comes under one package, so that is your development sector. So this is what the tools in the diagram. Now you can see differentiate. Suppose if you treat any company, if you suppose for example you can go with Amazon. Suppose if I want to order some product in Amazon.com or .in website, so that is my server. So maybe I can log in through website, maybe I can call the customer care, I can order the product, I can chat with the customer care people, I can order the product, or else if the store is nearby, I can go directly to the store and I can order the products. So I can do shopping in many ways. That means customer which is suitable for him, which is the nearest one, which is comfortable to him, he will do that. But if I want to go Reliance Fresh, I want to buy the product, I have only one option. I have to physically go to the store, buy the product and get it. So that is the old trend, but nowadays the companies are flexible and they are giving a lot of opportunities to buy the products from their company in a many ways, many strategies they are applying. That means it's not only one way. The people are smart and they are selecting the products from all the websites and they are choosing the smart one and the best one. So that's why the information is very, very important nowadays. So the data is coming from many ways. So as a company, you have to gather the data from various systems into one place. As a company, you have to keep first of all one place, then only you can do the analysis. So if the data is coming from database, maybe it's Oracle or MySQL or any database, to Hadoop, we are going to use integration technology called sqoop. By using sqoop, you will transfer data from database to Hadoop. If it is online web services or cloud systems, we are using Flume to load this data into Hadoop. If it is charting data or messaging data to Hadoop, we are using Kafka. So normal files from where mainframes or any shared directory or AS400, whatever the technologies we have, if I want to load this data into Hadoop, we are going to use shell commands. By using all these technologies, either sqoop, flume, Kafka, shell commands, we are transferring the data from various systems to Hadoop, including NoSQL. NoSQL maybe we are going to cover here as a MongoDB. NoSQL is one of the unstructured database. Okay, so by using all these sources, we are loading data into Hadoop. Hadoop is capable to handle structured and unstructured data, huge information. So once the data is loaded, suppose for example a general treat, we will start it at the Amazon.in. For example, the Lenovo K6 is launched in Amazon.in website. So as a Lenovo company, I'm just analyzing how many people are interested in Amazon.in from number of locations wise, area wise or city wise, so age wise or gender wise, something like that. So how many people are interested on this product. So once I release the product in Amazon.in website, so after one day, after 1 week, I need to analyze how many people are, first of all, not maybe product they are not buying, maybe they are just interested, that how many people are hitting on this product, how many want to know about this product. Out of them, how many I got the orders. Maybe you just imagine from various ways they inquired about that product, maybe 1 lakh customers. So these 1 lakh customers, by using these technologies, sqoop, flume, Kafka, we loaded into Hadoop. Hadoop, we are not deleting anything. It may be valid customer or invalid customer. Whenever you hit the website on that particular product, it is having all the information, okay, on your Hadoop. So 1 lakh customers information is available on Hadoop now. So out of this 1 lakh customers, some of them ordered, some of them simply searched about it. So as a company, as a business analyst, you want to do the analysis, boss, okay, how many products ordered from the city wise. Okay, so if it is, okay, so as for example, you can just say out of 1 lakh, maybe 50,000 orders I got. Okay, why only 50,000? Why remaining 50,000? What happened? Why they are not ordered? Maybe they are not interested. From which city? How many people got the hits? So suppose we got most of the hits from Kolkata. So why people are not buying the products from Kolkata location? So is there any problem with the Lenovo company in the Kolkata region? Maybe they don't have any service centers. They don't have a best facilities, or maybe other mobiles are good than this Lenovo K6. So something we are going to do the analysis. Then only you will improve your business. So those analysis points we are doing with process area technologies like MapReduce. So yarn, these two are developed on Java framework, or else you can use Python as well. So MapReduce is a little bit older one, and the latest one in this area is yarn. But if you want to work on yarn, you should know MapReduce, Vijay. Okay, whatever technology it is, all are designed on MapReduce in Hadoop. So this is the base one. You can say Hadoop equal to MapReduce. If you know MapReduce, you can work on any area in Hadoop side. Not only these in the list, whatever other technologies are available in the market, you can work on anything if you know MapReduce. This is a base for Hadoop. So if I don't like Java, I don't like coding, but I know some basic SQL. For those people, for non-programming people, they can go with either Pig or Hive. So Pig is a Latin language, Hive is a SQL kind of query language. So you can work on, all are doing the same job. Ultimately, all are doing the same job. Only the difference is the different languages, different terminologies. But output is same for everything. Everyone have their own limitations, advantages, but ultimately we are doing the process. So these are the general processing technologies in Hadoop. Once you did the process, the other people will come and generate the reports. These reports will go to the high level managers or end users. By seeing the result, okay, they will take the decisions to improve the business. So into this, there is a new advanced technology added in Hadoop, that is Spark. Spark is a streaming data analysis. So for everyone, MapReduce is the base, Chirag. So if you know MapReduce, you can work on any technology. So MapReduce means, don't think it is a only Java coding, it is a concept. I'm talking about conceptually, MapReduce is very important. To writing the concept in terms of Java programming, maybe we require either Java or Python. If you don't like programming, you can use Latin language or query language. But all our background is MapReduce. Okay, so by using Spark, you are going to do the streaming data analysis, like what you can say, like image processing, video processing, online streaming, offline streaming, so many things. And comparatively with this, from the data science point of view, we have R in the reporting with the machine learning languages like the robotics, artificial intelligence, the neural networks. A lot of things are there in the data scientist in the Hadoop. But if you want to go as a developer, you should learn store and process related technologies. Under store, you are going to learn sqoop, flume, Kafka, and traditional shell commands. These are the 4 things you are going to learn. Under process, you are going to learn MapReduce, Yarn, Pig, Hive. These are the 4 technologies. Under NoSQL, maybe you are going to learn MongoDB. So these are the 4, and including with this, we are going to cover testing and admin part also. This will, all 3 comes under one. Okay, then I'm just giving the explanation. Hadoop data scientist. Data scientist is different. Hadoop data scientist is different. Okay, don't confuse with data scientist is only purely for the business analysis. That means after Hadoop, the story will come. When you say Hadoop data scientist, he should know how to integrate the data. That means you should know sqoop, flume, Kafka things. You should know how to process. That means you should know MapReduce, Pig, Hive kind of thing. Plus you should know Spark, either with Scala or Python. Any language you have to know to work on Spark. Plus some machine learning, machine libraries. Plus R programming. R, you can use W to visualize the data. If you know all of these things, we are going to treat him as a data architect, or you can say data scientist in Hadoop. So now you got the clarity. If anyone is working from the beginning to end of the life cycle in this project flow diagram, that we are going to call him as a data scientist. So if it is a normal developer or tester, he should know basic things from Hadoop. Saif is asking what is a mission lab, like mission libraries to, like for example, robotics, artificial intelligence. This is like machine learning languages. So how the systems are working, missions, you can say robotics, or if I want to do the climate analytics or temperature analysis or the sentiment analysis, that is through libraries. So we have a lot of libraries available. By using so many algorithms, we will do the analysis in the market right now, like k-means algorithm, regression algorithm, clustering algorithm. A lot of algorithms are there. That is again, it's a difference. So if you have that idea to go with the robotics or AI, you have to learn machine learning libraries. It's very good, but it's a little tough. Why? Because it is connected with the statistics. Different technologies are used for different tasks. Yes, exactly. So if you know all the things, we will keep you at the architect level. So you should have some good experience to go for that area. Okay. So these are what in our sections also as a rules. So simply this is a flow diagram. So under integration storage point of view, you will going to learn how to load the data from database to Hadoop, normal charting systems to Hadoop, file systems to Hadoop. Good from the like market wise. So for especially who is coming from mainframes background, generally for them the next step is Teradata. From Teradata next step. So who is coming from mainframes background, they are directly jumping into the Hadoop. That is good. But for all of these, whoever wants to come into this area, market wise, salary wise, openings wise, it's very, very good compared with other technologies. But only little challenging thing is here Java. If you know core Java, remaining is very, very easy. Only you have to concentrate on basic Java. If you know basic Java things, then it is very, even though you are going to select Big or Hive or whatever technologies, if you know Java, then easily you can get the interview, you can get into the job. That's what the main purpose of this. So Hadoop is not doing anything new. It is already there from the long back, but Hadoop is going to do better than the old technologies. How to integrate the data from various systems and how to do the analysis based on the requirement. That is what we are going to. Yep. This course would cover all of this. So which one you are going to select? You are saying data scientist is different course and other three is comes under one course. Yeah, Palak. Is it okay? Yeah. Data scientist will cover all the Hadoop related whatever we discussed in the development plus Spark plus either R or W. So when you say data scientist, all will come. Side. All the technologies will come under this. We are covering data scientist with all other technology, all the options. How much time it takes to understand for how much time it takes to understand Java. So it depends on how you are working, Chirag, actually. So it is easy, but again, you have to start from the scratch. That is what the main challenge here. So maybe if you have any background in the academics or something, then it is a little bit easy. Otherwise, you need to start from the scratch. So Java is covered in this course. Yeah, we are covering Java, but how much is required for Hadoop? That much only. It's not like pure Java we are covering. How much Java is required for this Hadoop course? That much we will cover. Vijay and Saif and Palak. Should I do this course knowing that it will? You can do without Java also, but if you have Java, you will feel comfortable. That's it. What will be the course duration? Good question. So the first part, like development, tester, and admin, these three we are covering under 40 hours. The data scientist will take around 100 hours. This is not like one program. This is having Hadoop will comes under one part. Spark is one portion, and if you want required machine learning, one part, and W or R is one part. So data scientist will go take around 30 hours. Data scientist means which data scientist? You are talking about R language? Yeah, that is normal data scientist. This is Hadoop data scientist. So including Hadoop technology plus machine learning plus R, you can call it as a, yeah, except that you can, if you want, you can continue the remaining things. Yeah, if it is, suppose you just let me write then. So store and process will take around 30 hours if it is data scientist. The Spark with Scala will take 30 hours, or you can say 25 hours. So machine learning, if you want, it will take 20 hours. Either R or W will take 20 hours. So this is what. So which course you want, you can select. Yeah, 30, 25 plus 40, around 95 hours. including your project, other things, it will go for 100 hours. Every day it's a 1.5 hour class, so definitely it will go for more than 2 months. If it is data science, if it is data Hadoop development, it will finish in 1 month. Okay, so anyone having any other questions, please? What will be the starting package for freshers? Which one, developer or data scientist? So generally developers, you will get minimum package like 3 lakhs to 4 lakhs or 4.5 lakhs max. So if it is a data scientist, that depends on the role again. So again, that is also like 5 to 6 lakhs like that max as a fresher. Experienced people, that is depends on the role, what they are going and what is the importance of the role.